It's a story time. Story 102, number 1. My first ever travel experience outside Kuwait. It was then 2015 when I was invited by my friend in Abu Dhabi to spend my holiday, and that is during Eid al-Adha. Visited different tourist destinations. The first place that we were able to visit is the Ibn Battuta shopping mall, located in Dubai. It's a different mall I've ever seen before because of its structure. Actually, the mall consists of 6 courts. Number 1 is Andalusia, Persia, China, Egypt, Tunisia, and India. And each court, it was designed by different features of each country. And the next tourist destination is the Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque. Really, it was very, very nice. And that is the first time for me to wear the abaya. And also to be able to be inside the mosque. And that is my first time to visualize also how does it look inside the mosque. We went to Dubai. I don't know if it is 1 hour or 2 hours, Abu Dhabi to Dubai. And we visited the Burj Khalifa. The Burj Khalifa was really amazing because you were able to be top of the building within a minute, which is the tallest building in the world. So those experience is once in a lifetime for me because maybe I will not be able to travel again to Abu Dhabi. And also the dancing fountain of Dubai. Really amazing, the dancing fountain. It's big and it's nice. And I was able to meet and eat with my friends during my college years. Out of your regular routine of working every day from your flat, going to the hospital, and going back from the hospital to your flat. So sometimes it is better for us to travel. If you can, travel and relax. Because we cannot go back to the time that we already spent. Enjoy and relax. Good evening until our next story time.